it's Anna, and today we're making iceberg slime. Awesome! So what you'll need is liquid starch, a lot of glue, shaving cream, blue food coloring, a mixing bowl, and a spoon to mix it up with. And you'll need a parent to help you and get permission because this is slime. So now we are gonna make the slime. First, you're gonna take a lot of glue in this cup. Pour it into your big bowl. Oh, and if you forget my name, it's Anna.
You can use your spoon to scrape that out if you want.
Next, to the shaving cream. And I mean 2 shaving creams. Now, put it up. Get a parent to help you. Put it in your bowl.
Try holding it upright.
Now that our shaving cream's done, we're gonna put it in the big bowl and start mixing. And you might want to use a spoon to also scoop it out. Because this is hard to get. So use a spoon to also help you get the extra. And now mix, mix, mix. This is gonna be super creamy. Get it all around. Now that we've got it all good and mixed up, we're gonna put the liquid starch in. Remember, just a little at a time. And now, mix it all good up until it's no longer sticky. I mean, until it gets super sticky. It's turning into slime already. Super sticky slime. It's already turning into sticky slime. See, guys? It's sticky. Now add whatever kind of food coloring you want. Blue, pink if you have it. Use whatever food coloring. I'm using blue because it's Iceberg. This is gonna be so cool. Now to mix it up. Try to get it everywhere. Whoa! And if that wasn't enough, just add a little bit more. Because I didn't add enough to get it all blue. This is what your slime ball should look like. And now we're gonna leave it for 2 days so it's crunchy like Iceberg slime. We're just playing with the slime that's left over and leaving the other slime that's gonna get crunchy in the other bowl. See? And watch this. So if you want to make it bounce, just make it a ball, then boing it on the counter. Boing. Whoa, that one was boing and rolling. Boing and rolling. Yeah! It's like a pancake, you know. Oh, and if you... Hi! Ah, there's a pancake in my hair. Ah, where is it? It's still in my hair. Ah. Huh? What's in my hair? A pancake. Ah. It's the next day, and my brother T is joining me. So, we are gonna crack the slime on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Crack! 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 It's so hard! Yeah! I mean, look at this form. It's so hard. And get your hands off. See? This is like a shell. I thought we should have left it for 1 day. And the inside is so sticky. It's so hard to break. Like crack. And you can get it out of the jar. So we're gonna pull it out of the jar so we can play with it too. With the iceberg part, the hard part. A little bit more. Oh, I have a little one, and she has a little. We made it equal. Yeah, it is so sticky and slimy. And hard to break. Don't put this in your hair. Don't put this in your hair or your clothes. Ah! My brother is funny. I need to tear this shell apart. Now! Yeah. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell. Bye.